Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, guys, I got a new gadget and I want to review it and try it out and test it out with you guys. So if you're down to clean and if you're like into like the cleaning supplies, cleaning gadgets, then this is the channel for you. If you're new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe down below and hit that notification bell so you can be a part of my YouTube family. And let's go ahead and get started. We're actually going to review the Shark HydroVac Cordless Pro, and I'm so excited to get into it. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started with this vacuum review. Okay guys, so we're gonna go ahead and jump right into it. So here is the little gadget that I got. So I actually already assembled it. It was really easy to assemble. Like the little body is already pretty much all there. All you have to assemble is just the little handle and you just pop it in and that's it. So I currently have it charging, but let me get this box really quick. Okay, so I actually was very intrigued by this tool because what got me was that it's like a 3-in-1. So this little gadget is supposed to vacuum, mop, and it also does clean itself. So my house has LVP flooring, luxury LVP flooring all throughout, right? Because we just remodeled our house recently. But yeah, so I do double the work because I actually sweep the entire house and then I go back in and then I mop. So I usually mop with a traditional mop. However, my baseboards were getting all nasty because of the mop. I don't know if you guys could see it, but they're kind of dirty right now. But it would get like all on the sides of the baseboards with the wet mop head. So I found this little gadget and I want to try it out. So it's a multitasker and I think it'll cut my time in half. So this one here, it says it's a 3-in-1 multi-surface cleaning system. And it's gonna help neutralize. Well, oh, I think it came with this refreshener. And it's good for hardwood, tile, marble, and then if you have any area rugs. I don't have any rugs in my house at the moment, but I'm thinking, I don't know. I'll see where else I could try it out. But yeah, let's get into it and let's go ahead and try it on out. So right here, you just pretty much pop this and then this thing will pop out. And then that's just so you can take out this little roller that it has right here. Has like this really nice soft fiber material. So I really like that about it. Also this right here, you can take it out and you can dispose of it. I tried it already. Look at all the dirtiness that came out. So it also does pick up all of the, like if you had little trash or whatever, because it's also sweeping for you. So it's doing the 2-in-1. You don't have to sweep and mop. You don't have to do 2 steps. So it just pretty much does it all for you. And then right here, you have the little solution. So you just fill it up. So I just filled mine up with water, but it did come with like, you just pop that back in. So it's pretty easy. Right here, it does have like a little LED screen, and it does tell you like the battery, the life of the battery. It tells you if you need water to the little container. And then right here, it also does do like carpet as well. So you could also put it on rug mode. So that's that. It also does clean itself. So it has like a little filter in here. And it also did come with this right here, the little multi-surface concentrate. So it's the spring clean. And again, you could use it with tile, floor, or you can also use it with your area rugs. You do have to dilute this. So I am gonna go ahead and try it out for you guys. And I'm so excited. I love this little gadget. It also does have like the little handle here. So you just turn it on and then right here, right on top, it's the rug area mode. So if you do have rugs that you need to get them clean, you just press it on here and then it'll turn modes. But yeah, that's pretty much what it looks like. It's really nice and cute and compact. And yeah, so my floors really don't look dirty because it camouflages very, very well. But they really are dirty, guys. Like I could tell when it's dirty or not. It just the house feels dirty if the floors are not clean. But anyways, enough of me talking. Let's go ahead and try out this gadget. Okay guys, so pretty much I just took out the little cleaning solution tank and I just added a little bit more water. And then it does have like little, I'll put it here so that way you guys can see it. But it does have little lines here that tells you what the max cap is. So I'm gonna actually open that up. And then I'm just gonna add a little bit of the cleaner. This bottle is so cute. I love like mini tiny little things. Like I feel like they're so cute. But anyways, it came with this little cleaner and I'm gonna try it out. Okay, well for the sake of the video guys, I'm gonna be trying out this cleaning solution that they sent that was in the box. And then you could just put whatever cleaning solution you wanna use. I'm just using this one because it came in there. But I am gonna go ahead and dilute it with water. Let me shake it up a little bit and I'm gonna go ahead and pop this right back in and get started. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pop in the little solution tank right in there. And then I'm gonna undock the vacuum. So it's like super lightweight guys. It's really lightweight. And this is what the little dock looks like. What is this? Okay, it's just string. So yeah, this is what the little charging dock looks like. For now, it's just kind of living there. But let's go ahead and power it on and try it out. Okay. Oh my God, guys, I went cleaning supply shopping and this is what I came out with. So I'll do like a cleaning supply haul, shopping at Home Depot, of course. But yeah, I'll do that on a separate video. But for now, we're focusing on the little vacuum. So that's what it sounds like. And right here, you just kind of like step on it to lean it back. And there you go. That's how it works. I don't know if you guys could see it. Oh, I could hear it picking up stuff. And it's super lightweight guys, and of course it's leaving the floor, you guys see that shine, pretty clean. My kids are gonna have fun with this. I think my little one will have fun with this cleaning tool because it's actually pretty fun and it cuts your time in half and it's super lightweight guys. So I actually purchased my vacuum at Walmart. And I forgot what the price was, but I will put it on the video somewhere on the screen for you guys to go check it out. If I could find it, I'll link it, guys. Okay, guys, so I'm actually gonna take you to my vanity area and we're gonna try out the vacuum there because the living room wasn't actually that dirty, but I know that my vanity area is. So we're gonna actually try it out there so we can actually notice more the difference because it's pretty dirty in there. So let's go to my vanity. Okay guys, welcome to the vanity room. This is the dirty room. But let me show you my floors. Here they are dirty. So I don't know if you guys can see it, but I do have like some powder on my floor. I was setting my face, I was doing my makeup and the setting powder just goes everywhere. There's like some sticky stuff right here. There's half of an eyelash. There's like some of my hair in here. It's just really dirty in here. So I feel like this is a better spot to try out the Shark vacuum. And then here are the baseboards, guys. Like this is what I'm talking about. So I don't know if you guys can see, but my baseboards got really messed up with like the traditional mop. I don't know if you guys can see it right here. So it kind of hits it all around here. So my baseboards do need to be touched up with paint again. And yeah, so that's also the reason why I wanted to try out this tool because I know that that would really help with that issue there with the baseboards. So yeah, let's try it out in here. Okay guys, so I'm zooming you guys in where my makeup is at. It's on the floor, the setting powder, and we're gonna go ahead, power it on. Oh, it's ready. It is ready, honey. And this is what the digital screen looks like. So it's good to go. And here is the dirty floor. You guys see all that powder? Oh, look, are you gone? It's like super, super powerful. I really like this. And then let's see if it even picks up that eyelash and that sticky stuff that's right there. Do you guys see that? Okay, so I guess I have to go over it a few times. But I think that eyelash is really stuck on there because it has adhesive on it. Okay, but that little blue part, it's pretty much gone. But that eyelash, it ain't moving nowhere, honey. Okay guys, so I did have to help out the little shark vacuum. The eyelash was just not going to move at all. Like, it's super, super strong with the adhesive that I use. I use Duo Glue, by the way. Yeah, so there's that. But let's go ahead and try out the vacuum over here. There's like some hairs. And yeah, there it is. There's like some little hairs there. So yeah, I'm gonna finish vacuuming this whole entire room. And then I'll share what my thoughts are with you guys regarding this little gadget here. I'll let you know if I recommend it or not. Okay guys, so let me go ahead and share what my final thoughts are regarding this little vacuum. I actually really like this vacuum, guys. Oh, this is a great thumbnail, by the way. I really like this vacuum. It's super, super lightweight. It's really easy. It's convenient. I really like that you have the little tanks, so it's easy to take out. Actually, by the way, let me show you guys the tank. This is the dirty tank. Oh my God, you guys. Darn, I don't know if you guys can actually see through here, but do you guys see all the nastiness that was on the floor? Like, I didn't have to sweep any of it. Like, there goes like half of my hair in there. I'm gonna see if you guys can really see through there. That's what the little filter looks like. It's disgusting. It is disgusting. This vacuum is small, but it's mighty and it works. And also, guys, look at the dirty water. Oh my God, it is black of how dirty it was. Oh my God, that's so disgusting. I told you guys my floors were dirty. Like, they were dirty. It kind of camouflages because of the LVP that we have, but it was dirty. Look how dirty it was. So yeah, it's really easy to clean. So right here, you would just like pop this up. Oh my God, disgusting. Gross, gross, gross. And then you would just rinse your little dirty filter, which is this one here. And it's really easy to clean. And I like it. I give it a 10 out of 10, guys. I highly recommend. I recommend it. If I find it, I'll link it down below. I'm pretty sure you can find it in Amazon. But I got mine at Walmart. My local Walmart had it. And I don't remember the price. So I'll put it somewhere down here for you guys to look at. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I highly suggest and recommend this little mighty shark, the Shark HydroVac. That's what it's called. Anyways, guys, that's gonna be it for today. Just pop it in, charge it, and it's ready to go for next time. Anyways, guys, that's gonna be it for today. If you guys like this video, please make sure to leave your girl a big thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.